Boy, meron akong kwento!
Yan!
Ito ang kwento tungkol sa Sustainable Development Goal number 6 o tawag sa Clean Water and Sanitation. In a small tribe village in a small town in the Philippines, access to clean water and adequate sanitation facilities is severely lacking, leading to widespread waterborne diseases and poor hygiene practices among residences. They have to go to other nearby barangays where potable water is available in order to receive clean water, frequently having to wait in line for hours due to a shortage of storage facilities. This daily travel is necessary, which is inconvenient and physically taxing. Furthermore, the expense of buying clean water from private sellers is frequently unaffordable. The village relies on contaminated surface water sources for drinking and lacks proper sanitation infrastructure, contributing to a cycle of poverty and health challenges. So, paano natin kaya masolusyonan ang problema ito? And so, as a packaging engineer, ito dapat ang gagawin natin. Build up community-based water purification facilities. Ano nga ba ito? Kailangan natin i-install ang automated chlorinator devices in strategies positioned across villages to cleanse water from existing sources, such as shallow wells or local streams. This will provide inhabitants with a consistent source of clean water within their neighborhood, eliminating the need for lengthy journeys to neighboring barangays. At kaya dyan, makainom na po ang atin pong mga tao.
Ay, bidyag le. Beko kita pa.